Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we're going to be talking about what I got for Christmas. I've done this video quite a few times over the years, not consistently, but I've done a few. I've done enough to know what you guys are expecting. This year for Christmas, this was my first single Christmas. No husband, no boyfriend, no spouse, no nothing. It's just me, the kids. Mommy came into town, so she was with us. We had dinner with my in-laws. That's always a good time, quite honestly. But outside of that, what I got for Christmas, outside of the tangible things, right? Because I did get quite a few like grown-up adult gifts that I 100% appreciate more than you would ever even imagine. Okay, like actual, oh my gosh, you paid a bill. Oh my gosh, you fixed something. Oh my gosh, I needed that light fixture type of gifts, right? So 100% great for that. The main thing though, the main thing that I got for Christmas that I was I'm still over the moon excited for is peace. I wasn't fighting with anybody. I wasn't arguing. I wasn't upset. I wasn't sad. I wasn't miserable. I wasn't crying. I wasn't wondering. I wasn't gaslit. I could just wake up in the morning, start my day however I wanted to, sleep. I took a nice little nap. Like, the things that you would think come so easily and so freely to us that we don't realize are actual blessings blow my mind every single day. Like, I stopped saying, and I started doing this late last year. I stopped saying I have to do something, and instead I say I get to do something. Like, I get to take my kids to school. I get to pick them up from school. I get to go to work. I get to wake up whenever I want to and do whatever I want to. That change from I have to or I need to I get to changed my whole, what the heck is going on with my camera? Hopefully I figure this out, because this is crazy. If you didn't receive anything physical this year, nothing tangible, nothing you can hold and show off this year, still be grateful. Still be grateful for life. Start your day with an air of gratitude. Be happy, be thankful that you're not going through certain things, because things could be worse. Whatever you're going through, somebody's wishing that they were going through that, because they're going through something much worse. Whether it's the amount of bills you have, the type of car you have, the fact that you even have bills to pay. Like, think about it. Some people wish they had that stress. Like, at least you have a job to go to where you know, all right, guess what? It's going to get paid regardless. So like, what are you worrying about it for? Like, worrying and stressing yourself over things that you cannot control literally does nothing but cause you more stress and turmoil in your life. Like, literally. Complaining about the type of car you drive when there are people who have to walk and take the bus and call Uber and take taxi. Honestly, truly, the biggest takeaway for me is that not only was I given peace, right? I was able to bless my children with what they wanted for Christmas. And then I was able to bless my nephews and my baby niece. Because the children going forward, like literally, the children are all that matters. Like, the adults, we're all grown, we can handle our own thing. But if you have children, take care of your children first. And when you start your life or your day or your mornings, or you end your day and your nights with gratefulness and gratitude and you know, just calm, every day going forward becomes easier, because you're now seeing the good, you're now seeing the positive, you're now seeing the light. So my wish for you is to start your day with gratitude. Be thankful for the life that you're living right now, because God knows it could have worse. And if you feel like you're at the bottom right now, guess what? That means you can only go up. No more down no day, no more bottom no day. You can only go up. Whatever you're dreaming of, thinking of, aspiring, you can attain. And if it's not happening right now, it's because it's not supposed to happen right now, because you're not ready. And I know this whole video is so cliche and so, oh my God, Lori, what are you talking about? This is so boring, da da da. But hear me out. If you genuinely trust God and have faith, genuinely, like there's no other thought in the back of your head other than this is going to work, this is going to happen, nothing can stop it. It's going to happen and nothing will stop it. It's just, again, is now the right time. Like, I have a particular goal that I want to reach by or before the end of 2025, but if it doesn't happen, I know that this is not the year it's supposed to happen. I can tell myself whatever I want to tell myself. I can manifest and convince and all these things. It will happen. It's just not on my time. Like, when it's supposed to happen, it will happen. You get what I'm saying? You just have to genuinely trust and believe and have faith. And lead with love. Because you can have faith and hope and love, but most important, overall, love is the most important thing. If you're not doing anything from a place of love, it's not gonna work, it's not gonna make sense. Yeah. Also, faith without work is dead. So if you're there hoping and praying and manifesting and having faith, but you're just sitting there on your hands, it's not going to happen either. You have to put action behind it. Okay? Okay. I think that's enough. That's enough preaching from me. Happy holidays, although the holiday is gone. I hope you got what you wanted. If you're doing the 75 hard with me, that was my previous video. I don't know why my camera, I don't know why my camera keeps stopping recording, but let's just wrap this up because we need to figure out what I'm on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.